everyone! Sarah here from the marketing team at Ballistic Advantage, and I'm here with Clint Hansen. We are in the armory at Ballistic Advantage. In case you didn't know where we were before, now I'm telling you. And we're here to answer your questions! Yay! So today's question comes from Marshall.
Okay.
Marshall wants to know, do you push the gas block all the way against the backstop on the barrel, or does there need to be a little gap between the backstop of the barrel and the gas block? This is a great question, Marshall. Clint, what is your answer?
It is a good question. Well, a couple answers for you. Right off the bat, you'll be pretty safe if you just push it all the way to the backstop. However, you don't have to just assume. On the B.A. Hansen barrels, obviously, you're going to put that all the way on the backstop because that's how we machine the barrel and the block to go together. You also get a nifty little Hansen patch too whenever you buy a B.A. Hansen barrel. Anyway, back to the question. So, the reason I bring that up in terms of you can check, and it's not always the same thing, because say you have like an 18-inch barrel and it's a rifle length gas system, your gas port's pretty big. You could be as large as what, 89 thousandths or maybe even closer to 93. So you want to make sure, and being a barrel manufacturer, we absolutely have to assume that you may put all sorts of different parts on it. You buy just a strip barrel, you may later on decide to put a FSB on it, which typically if you're going to put handguards on it, you're going to want a handguard cap. So we do need to be able to accommodate the width of that handguard cap. So the reason I say that also is, you know, if you have a carbine system, your handguard cap could be as large, the thickness it brings it off the shoulders, I think it's about a 30 thousandths. And a triangle handguard cap is going to be right around 25 thousandths. So either way, it's kicking it off the shoulder a little bit. So on the smaller gas port sizes, it's not going to matter. You're probably going to be fine just to butt that thing right up against the shoulder and it's going to be all right. But you don't have to assume. So a trick that I always do, no matter what I'm doing, the world's an imperfect place. I don't trust anyone, so I have to check it. I just have to. So what I do is I take the rear set screw out of the low profile gas block and I just spin it around. The reason I can do that is because that set screw hole is drilled at the same time as the adjacent hole of the gas port that's in your block. So you're going to be able to see how much of your hole is exposed in order to make sure that you're getting enough gas in it. So again, you don't have to guess. It's a great question, and typically you're going to be fine if you butt it up to the shoulder. However, why not look if you can? Double check.
Why not? That's awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you, Clint, for that answer. Thank you, Marshall, for that question. Guys, if you want Clint Hansen to answer some of your questions, comment below, and we cannot wait to see what you send us. Thank you. Hi, guys. Wow, that was so shrill. He is going to answer your questions today, and I am going to watch and smile. And we are here to answer your questions. Yay! So today we have
Ah!